Prestone cylinder head gasket and engine block repair provides a permanent repair to failed cylinder head gaskets or cracks in cylinder heads or engine blocks. It provides a very cost-effective repair that's far cheaper than taking your car into the garage and having them replace the cylinder head gaskets. It's very easy to use, it's pour and fix. So when the system's cold, we take off the pressure cap, we pour in the product into the expansion bottle, we put the cap back on again and start the engine.